Hi, my name is Josh, and I have a busy day ahead. Hi, my name is Josh, and I have a busy day ahead. Let's get ready to go out. Let's get ready to go out. I brushed my teeth and put on some clothes. I brushed my teeth and put on some clothes. I need my wallet. I need my wallet. Let me check my bag. Let me check my bag. Okay, ready to go. Okay, ready to go. First stop, the bank. I'll drive there. First stop, the bank. I'll drive there. I need to open an account. I need to open an account. Hello, I'd like to open an account. Hello, I'd like to open an account. What documents do I need? What documents do I need? Here is my ID. Here is my ID. Can I get a debit card? Can I get a debit card? Can I use online banking? Can I use online banking? Next stop, the pharmacy. Next stop, the pharmacy. Excuse me, where are the painkillers? Excuse me, where are the painkillers? Do you have something for a sore throat? Do you have something for a sore throat? How often should I take it? How often should I take it? With food or without food? With food or without food? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Now let's go to the post office. Now let's go to the post office. I need to send a package. I need to send a package. How much is it to send this to Spain? How much is it to send this to Spain? Can I get a tracking number? Can I get a tracking number? Do you sell stamps? Do you sell stamps? Where's the nearest mailbox? Where's the nearest mailbox? I'm getting a bit hungry. I'm getting a bit hungry. Let's find something to eat. Let's find something to eat. One sandwich, please. One sandwich, please. No mayonnaise, thank you. No mayonnaise, thank you. A bottle of water too, please. A bottle of water too, please. Now I need to buy a present. Now I need to buy a present. Where can I find a gift shop? Where can I find a gift shop? Do you have anything for a birthday? Do you have anything for a birthday? How much is this? How much is this? Can you wrap it, please? Can you wrap it, please? Is there a card included? Is there a card included? I think I'm done. I think I'm done. Let's stop for petrol. Let's stop for petrol. Where's the nearest petrol station? Where's the nearest petrol station? Hi, pump number 4, please. Hi, pump number 4, please. I need to fill up the tank. I need to fill up the tank. Thank you. Thank you. Time to go home. Time to go home. That was a busy day. It was a busy day. Now I'll make some tea. Now I'll make some tea. And relax a bit. And relax a bit. Good night. Good night.
Would you like to learn English in an easy and fun way? Subscribe to our channel. There's a new video every Sunday.